Today we'll take a look at something Greek's letter generator. Let's head to the apparel and clothing section and look for sorority clothing. Scroll down and select sorority lettered t-shirts. What's great about this is that you can see how it will look on the garment right away. You'll see 3 letters, and let's scroll through and pick Phi and Sigma. So if your organization just has 2 letters, this is how it would look. If your organization has 3 letters, simply pick a 3rd letter and this is how it would look. Now, let's choose a border. All of the border colors are available here, so pick and choose what works best for you. Now let's pick a pattern. All the patterns are available here. You can look at them and see what works and what color combinations you like. Let's try this circular pattern maybe. Maybe not. Let's see what else we like. Let's try this pattern here. Now, the garments. These colors are exclusive to this shirt, so if you get a hoodie, the colors will be different. All of these drop downs have now been filled in as a result of what you have picked. All you have to do now is select your size and then change the quantity, and you're done.